when you open it, it's like a putty, more like gel, and you just put it all over your face. It's really silky, and gelish. I put this on once before, and I think I put this on my friend another time, but I got this from Amazon, and I got it in a set. From what I remember, it was like kind of cheap, but it smells really fragrant. It's very florally. It comes on like it's thick enough for it to be several layers on your skin, but definitely really gel-like, watery like almost, which I like because I can't deal with too much thickness. I think I really honestly like it when it's water-based, so that my skin can breathe. It's definitely very fragrant, so if you guys are not normally very agitated to like floral scents and stuff, I wouldn't get this. It's very strong, the floral scent that comes off. So I haven't done a mask in a really long time. So it's crazy because of how much there is in this. I think it's just nuts. Look at how much there is still left. Like more than half. Honestly, I feel like I could share this with someone. But I'm gonna put it all on my skin. My skin's very dry today because I'm pretty dehydrated and because of my surgery and stuff and steroids are in my body right now. Oh man, it feels so good. Honestly, I wish someone would like massage my face with this. Right. Still more! I can't believe it. I've been putting so much on. You know what? I'm gonna not get it on my left hand because I need to still touch the doorknob when I go and wash this off my face. It's such a thick layer on my face right now. My forehead right here, I have a couple pimples on here, so that's the situation with my face right now. So it says to leave it on for 5, 10, 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for 15 because I want maximum impact on my face. So you guys get to see if it really works or not. Normally, I would put on, what I like to do is put on a face mask and then honestly just go hop in the shower, so that way I can just wash it off in the shower and in the shower. But I already took a shower, so I got my hands on. My hand still has a bunch of stuff on it. This is a lot they give you in here. It's crazy because it's like a little tiny packet. Honestly, like see how thin it is. But there's so much. There's so much. Your face is so glossy. Now that is all over my face. I'll share what they got me. Just for me. And now my hand's like so oily. So show you guys how my hand's so shiny. My face is shiny. It actually feels like pretty cooling on your face. It has this like cooling effect. Going on right now. It's weird. There's no breeze in my room, by the way. So I have like the windows shut. So it's definitely not the wind out from outside. Wow, I feel really cool. It's really cool, cooling. Smells like floral stuff. So this is how it looks like dried up after 15 minutes. Let's touch it. With this many layers, you would think that my skin wouldn't be able to breathe, but I can feel like it's still breathing this entire time. So, and it feels really cool. You know, like when you put water on your face and then you have wind blowing by it. Just me walking around, that was enough wind for it to like feel so cooling on my face too. And not only that, just sitting down and having it sink into my skin, it feels really hydrating. So with this many layers, I can't believe it. With how much I just packed on, I still feel like I can breathe. Yes. All right, let's go wash it off. So it comes off really easily. I just grabbed some off my face and I rinsed it under the water, and it's coming off like super easy. So that's how you know, without even any soap or anything, that's how you know the product is water-based. So let's do this. So I just washed my face. It always feels good to wash your face. Just splash your face with water anyway. So that doesn't prove too much. Let's dry it now. Oh my gosh. I feel very refreshed. As far as my skin goes, let's see. Alright, so just dried my face. I look brighter. Like I look, I think at least I look brighter. My skin feels really refreshed. I really washed my face off, really splashed it with a lot of water. So I was able to get all of it off. My pimples are still there on my forehead. That's fine, because it didn't say it was gonna cure my pimples. So, as far as my skin goes, I feel like it did get tightened a little bit, and I feel like it's plumper, tightened and plumper at the same time. Is that weird? Smells great. And my skin is still breathing. So so I was just checking out the product. It looks like it's like $3.47 per like little cup that you use. So it is kind of, I've seen masks that are like $1. So for it to be like $3 and something cents, I guess it really should work. And I think this one did. So overall, I like it. Definitely great for just starting off the day or ending the night. But honestly, I think I would do this during the day. I feel a lot more brighter. So I feel better with it. I like the product. I think I do. My face feels... I'm not wearing any makeup, guys. Not wearing any makeup. And honestly, at this time, my chapstick has already come off. So... my skin feels brighter, it's more plump. and it's tighter, so I like it. And definitely it's specifically for like dry skin, so I like it. It has really good reviews. I got it off of Amazon, guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this review. Comment maybe your favorite mask that maybe you want me to try, or maybe comment and tell me if you've tried this one before, or if you've heard anything about this one. It has, I think, like 100 or something reviews on Amazon, so there have been people that have tried it. So I'll see you guys next time.